be a teacher, I'll show you the way. You could be a diva, you could learn to slay. You can hit the notes if you listen to me, yeah. I could be a teacher, repeat after me. La 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 la. Welcome to the school and over. You know we gon' take it over, over. Welcome to the school and over. You show them you're a star, make them know who you are. You wanna learn a lesson, you wanna beat the rest. You wanna know the secret, I know you're obsessed. Ain't nobody better put you to the test, yeah. I could be a teacher, you know I'm the best. Sing. La, 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 la. Welcome to the school and over. You know we gon' take it over, over. Welcome to the school and over. You show them you're a star, make them know who you are, yeah, yeah, yeah. Make them know who you are, yeah, yeah. Make them know who you are. Welcome to the school and over. You know we gon' take it over, over. Welcome to the school and over. You show them you're a star, make them know who you are, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, Bobbles, I'm gonna teach you so hard. I'm Bobbles Smithsonian, reporting live from the School of Nova as we discover... Sorry, I'm just really used to doing that.
Okay, sing me a note, nice and loud.
Note.
I said nice and loud. Confident, come on. Note! Note! Note, note, note!
Note.
Quieter, much quieter. Relax and let the music flow through you, okay? Enjoy yourself, like this.
Got it?
Stop! Stop it! Stop flowing!
I can't.
Okay, break time. Go and be somewhere else. Right now, please.
McLaren, we're running out of tasks.
Yep, that's on my go-to-the-loo list. I mean, to-do list. What do I do, McLaren?
What do we do, McLaren?
I asked first.
I asked nicest.
Guys,
Why aren't you listening?
I can't.
Why aren't you
Why do I need the little manager's room?
I'm oldest, and I should get my answer first.
Oh, sure. Rub it in how old you are and I'm not.
McLaren?
Is she?
Yes, she is. Can we just concentrate on the most important thing here?
Me!
Us.
McLaren!
The trick to being a grown-up is to act tired, like you've seen it all before. And be on your phone.
I know. Tedious. Hang on. Just one. Oh, sure. Whatever.
Right, come on, Digit. We've got a test to retake. Attempt 2343. Here come the results. Ah, I passed! I passed! I'm still an ace pilot. Never give up, eh, did you? What? I'm due an eye test. What?
Everything's set up in my suite. Now all we have to do is...
I saw horrible things. Horrible things! Black and white. Subtitles! People talking and talking! Nothing was totally obliterated at all! No one explosion! Oh, I'm going to be a kid, and you can't stop me!
Perfect tantrum. I taught him that, you know. Come on. Nova Jones's Mobile Musical Academy with personal superstar tuition presents our first graduate and genuinely brilliant singer, Bobbles Smithsonian.
I've never felt this feeling. The emptiness isn't leaving, just floating around my head. I've never felt this lonely. You're my one and only, and I know I never said just how much you mean to me. Now you're not here, I wanna say I'm half, yeah, I'm half. You opened up my eyes, but you're not here by my side, and I hear your name. Yeah, I know it's not the same. I wish you could see it all, yeah. I wish you were watching over. I wish you were here for the ride. 'Cause you are my beloved. I always had your shoulder there to cry. Now I'm half, yeah, I'm half of what I used to be.
This is Bobbles Smithsonian live with today's big question. Is she? Am I talented enough to tempt you back from decantant? Will you be my camera bud again? Wait, where are you going? Why won't you speak to me?
Oh, honestly, everyone knows camera buds aren't allowed to talk when the red light's on. Go ahead.
Bobbles, I didn't leave you for decantant. He's not that talented. I left you because you don't listen. You're always on, always talking,
That's my job.
and you're amazing at it. But I never get to ask about your day, or tell you how I feel, or explain how you can't sing, and you definitely shouldn't do it on television.
But I can sing now. Neighbour taught me.
You opened up my
She taught you auto-tune. Lucky I wasn't recording that, huh?